Hey, I'm sure you've seen some type of foamed coffee. This stuff's been kind of circulating around a lot. Typically, what you would use is equal parts sugar, coffee, and water. You would blend that together. It'll kind of create a whipped foam topping for your coffee. I'm here to show you a way to do it without any sugar and protein powder. So first, start with about half a scoop of protein powder. That's going to give you about 2 tablespoons. If you actually use the scooper, you can actually use tablespoons if you prefer. 2 tablespoons will give you about half a serving. You can use milk, you can use almond milk. I like cashew milk. It doesn't really matter what you use. You're just going to use about 2 tablespoons of it. You're going to mix that into your about 2 tablespoons into your protein. Next thing, you're just gonna mix. You're gonna blend until this becomes foamy. You may notice if it starts to stay liquidy for a while, you might have to add a little bit of extra powder. So I'm gonna do that. It takes a little while. It might take a couple minutes. It takes a little bit longer when you're using protein powder than if you're using just the sugar and water mixture. Okay. So now it's perfect and whipped. So it's going to be fluffy topping. So this is French vanilla. I use that flavor protein. You can use whatever you prefer. Just think about something that'll go good with your coffee. And you can just put it right on as a topping. This way you have a way of controlling how much sugar you're putting in. So if you still want to sweeten your coffee, you can. You just have a topping that actually is just milk and protein. And there you have it.